very, what we call inspiring and challenging at the same time. Okay? So, ang atuang Ebanghelyo mumura. Walang sayo na punta. Walang sayo na punta mahuman karon. So, muna ang outline. Itulo na kabuok. 31, 32, together. And then verse 33a. Pero as I said, we have to take a look into 33b para makumpleto. Dili siya buhaki. Kanya, ang katapusang buha ang versikulo 34 and 35. Muna siya yung last part sa ato ang pagatunan, pagkatao. Okay, we immediately begin. Sugod na ba yan? So, verse 31 and 32. When he, sa Bible, it is when he. Pero kinsa man ang he, it's Judas. So when Judas had left, so this is chapter 13. Kung sa may unang larawan sa chapter 13 sa Gospel of John, this is the Last Supper. This is the washing of the feet. In other words, human ang panghugas sa mga tiil, nahugasan pag-ibig ay itong tiil ni Judas. But after that, he left. And then when he left, Jesus said, "Now is the Son of Man glorified, and God is glorified in him." Verse 32, if God is glorified in him, God will also glorify him in himself, and he will glorify him at once. Duha ka bersikulo, pero kapila magbalik-balik ang puno ng glorified. O glory. Ikha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Duha lang ang versikulo pero nagbalik-balik ang puno nga glory or glorified. Muli usa sa mga rason nga kung magtuon ka mga versikulo, it is also important to know the keywords. So ang ato niya yung Bible study, hindi lang ingon nga muna siya how to present it, but it's also a reminder na even outside our Bible study, when it is your time to read, take note of the recurring o kanang magbalik-balik na mga pulong. Kaya naadiha makita usap ang sinugdanan o dimension o anggulo sa pagsabot sa mensahe. Okay? So 5 times within 2 verses, the word glorify or the word glory, himaya. Okay? Sa Grego, doxa. Okay? O niya sa Hebreo, kabod. Okay? Sa Greek, doxa. Okay? Sa Hebreo, kabod. Kabod means heaviness. That is what the glory is. So when the glory of God comes, it actually is so heavy. It actually covers the earth. Muna nga, pagwanta sa liturgical perspective, kanang tuyo anang pag-insenso, it is actually to experience, to let us experience and enter into the weight of God's presence. So, muna abot pasabot of glory, bukan. So, it is something that is so heavy. It is something that is so huge. It is something that we can see ourselves as very little. But that glory is being shared. And this is the topic. Now, verse 31. When he, Judas, had left, this is a significant setting where Judas' departure is put from the viewpoint of Jesus' glory. Okay? And what is our connection? Anong importante man si Judas? Ni anang tungod. Kay? Kung di ba tungod niya, di sa matulad ang plano sa Ginoo. Muna nga, makaingon ta nga, these are actually moments or dimensions or angles where the plan of God is given a particular image. No? The Katong gihimo ni Judas, kabubuton sa Diyos. But of course, from the human point of view, ba't ikayo bisan gani sa itong kasinatian? You betray. You hand over the Lord. But in his part,
He has to
niya,
do
buhay
it.
niya.
But who to him? Yun lang po.
O, di ko si Jesus na to him. Okay, nga naman, dili man ta mo tanaw only up to the point na iya betray. Peter did another, di ba? He denied. Okay? But what did Peter do? He repented. What did Judas do? Have himself. From the human perspective. Okay?